My name's Richard Knighting. I'm chef and co-owner of Corkage in Bath. The dish, it's a sausage and ham frittata. It's an egg-based dish with some potato folded through it, sausage, egg, and a few herbs through there, a bit of spring onion. For me, it's flavourful. It's not heavy. I think it's a multi-performer that people will understand immediately. There's an element of smokiness to the ham, which gives it a nice level of diversity, and you've got the sausage in there that has a little bit of spice, a little bit of white pepper through it that gives a nice little bit of heat, but nothing drastic that's going to put people off. With the meal, you could certainly serve it with on a lovely sunny day. If you're eating it cold, it worked very well with the salad. I would also suggest you could just serve it with some good, hot, fresh, seasonal vegetables. It has broad appeal. It's not a difficult dish to understand. It sounds very simple, but it's very rewarding. You've got to make sure that the food not only stands up in terms of flavour, but also the quality of the ingredients, and make sure that people are getting the nutrients they need, because food is not only about pleasure, it's also about health.